Hey you guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to another video and welcome back to another grocery haul. So this grocery haul is a little bit different. This is pretty much all snack related things that we are going to be bringing to Disney and that we are going to be munching on at night pretty much, or during the day if we ever come back. But I promised a couple of people that I will show you what kind of snacks we're going to bring. Now this is not all the snacks I'm going to be buying. We are going to probably stop by the store when we get there. It is about a 7-hour drive from there, but this should hold us over and probably, it'll probably last us all week, but let's be real. So first off, we did have a pack of water anyways, so we have like half a bottle or half a pack left. So we're just going to bring the rest just so it won't be sitting at the house. We went to Sam's. There is some LaCroix. I got a big package of it. It had the lemon, the lime, and something else I can't remember. Maybe the raspberry one or grapefruit. It's probably grapefruit because all of them has grapefruit. But I got the lime out, so I'm going to bring that. We bought a big box of oatmeal cream pies from Sam's also. I couldn't fit both boxes, so I just opened one and just poured it in there. And then there's this big box. Then we still at Sam's, but we got some sour cream and onion chips. Jared got some Doritos. We actually got a couple of Rice Krispies treats that were left over from the baby shower, so I'm going to bring that. Oh, and you guys, this looks so good. I love popcorn. Smart Food popcorn is the best. But look, it's flaming hot white cheddar. I love flaming hot Cheetos. So this is actually yummy. Can't put that back in right now. But so that is all the snacky foods that we're going to actually bring for right now. We are going to stop at the gas station on the way there and probably just get a snack or whatever. I don't know, a drink or something. Who knows? But before I go, this crate is from Michael's. It's like $12.99, 40% off coupon if you have the app. If you have the receipt, still 40% off. Sometimes they run a deal where it's $10 off. $10, not $10 off, but $10. So really good, sturdy. This is what we're going to bring instead of like a cooler or anything. So going to bring that. It's going to be awesome. I'm going to try to vlog. I'm not promising I might get distracted because it is my first time going to Disney. But we shall see, and I will see you guys later. And make sure you subscribe and like down below. Make sure you let me know what other foods I should bring, because when you are watching this, I'm still going to be in Disney, or I'm going to be on my way to Disney. So let me know. I can stop by the gas station and get some food. But anyways, I'll see you guys later. Bye.